Madam, get closer, please. Okay.
Closer.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Rajat. I'm an assistant professor in UCD School of Law. Food engineering. Yeah, it's raining. It will be raining in Ireland also all the time. So I went to Ireland in 2015. I went to Erasmus Mundus scholarship program. I went to MSc in environmental technology. It was an like 1-year course. Then I came back to India, and then I got the scholarship for my PhD. So I went back again in 2017. I completed my PhD in 2020 in statistical modeling as applied to microbial risk and chemical risk assessment. And then I started working as a postdoc fellow. I worked 22 months and then I got a faculty role there. Yeah, I'm going to complete my academic position in next month. So it's like 2 years will be completed by next month. And the journey was awesome, I must say. In 9 years, I never faced any racism. So UCD and all other institutes, so I'm actually representing all other institutes from Ireland, I think. So we actually value the international students, and we always provide all the skill development program for students, and we always encourage kind of promoting different programs to invite the people from the industry for the recruitment. So mostly all of my friends got job after completion of their course, and Ireland provides a unique opportunity to provide like 2 years of 1G visa. You do not need a sponsorship to work there for 2 years after completion of your master's course, and that is 1 year for the undergrad course. So this actually helped a lot of Indian and international students. So that's all from my end. If you have any specific question, you can ask, or my colleagues can add to my comment.
Madam, you can.
Okay, so I'm Anam.
Sir, get closer, sir, please.
And I'm currently working with Education in Ireland for the South Asia region. But almost more than 10 years ago, I was a student at Trinity College Dublin in Ireland. I did a master's and MPhil in popular literature. It was the most wonderful year, wonderful academics. The classes were small. I had a group of maybe under 20 students, and so we really got to know each other. We got to know who's teaching us. So it was a great, wonderful experience, wonderful facilities on campus, and I felt very safe. It was such wonderful people. The Irish are very warm, very friendly. So great experience as an international student. And I came back after that to India, but if I had the opportunity, I would have loved to stay on. And there are wonderful things that as a student now, as an Indian student, if you've done your undergraduate in Ireland, you can stay for 1 more year and find a job. You get a 2-year stay-back option if you do a master's or a PhD. So now, more than 10 years later, I am working with the government of Ireland, and I help promote studying in Ireland in South Asia, and I encourage other young men and women to come and experience what I did, which is a wonderful international student experience in Ireland.
Madam, in Ireland you can get the Indian food easier. In Ireland you can get the Indian food easier.
So when I was in Ireland, very few Indian food. I didn't want to eat Indian food, but now there are Indian stores, there are Indian restaurants, Pakistani restaurants, like everything is available. That you want to buy. If you want restaurants, if you want stores, you get dal, you get chips and all from India. So students have no problem. And it's nice to, people are so friendly, they ask you where you come from and what are you doing here, they're so welcoming.
How's about the safety, madam?
Any job opportunities?
Yes. So Ireland is now it's known as the Silicon Valley of Europe, and we have all Europe, whether it's financial, whether it's medtech, pharma, ICT, everything across the board. You have we have a area called the Silicon Blocks, and all the major we have over 1,000 multinationals that are based in Ireland, either headquartered there or they have some presence in Ireland. So very good work opportunities. A lot of students we cannot connect with because they stay back in Ireland, so they're not coming back home. That's what's happening.
How about the safety, madam?
Sorry?
Safety.
So as a girl, I mean, I was catching a bus at 11:30 at night. I felt very safe. It was great for whether it's men or women. As I said, friendly place, very welcoming, and our cops, they don't carry the Garda, they don't carry guns, anything. So no violent culture at all in Ireland.
One of the happiest country. We ranked like B,
Yeah.
and in terms of the safety also. So it is always a pleasure to be here.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.